Broccoli stir-fry recipe, vertical bar, Indian-style spicy version. Broccoli stir-fry cooked in Indian style with flavorful spices to suit our taste buds. Yet simple recipe. Goes well as accompaniment for rice in an Indian lunch menu, or even good as on its own. Let's see how to make this easy dish with detailed steps. Broccoli stir-fry, Indian. You can prepare this when you are looking for a quick yet healthy dish using broccoli. Ingredients. Here are the ingredients needed to make this dish. Please check the recipe card below for exact quantities and measurements. Broccoli. Use fresh broccoli. You can even use broccolini. Onion. Adds flavor and taste to the dish. You can use any type of onion, red/white/yellow. I prefer to use the Indian variety, which is pale purple in color. Ginger. This is my main ingredient for flavor in this dish. Sambar powder. This is a spice mix, South Indian style curry powder, which we use in most of our everyday cooking. I have linked the recipe in the recipe card. Turmeric powder makes the broccoli more vibrant in hue. Also, we add turmeric for its health benefits. Cumin seeds gives a lovely flavor along with ginger. Mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, small variety. Oil. I used olive oil here, but you can also use any cooking oil of your choice. Please check the recipe card below for exact quantities and measurements. Step-by-step method 1. Cut broccoli firstly into small bite-sized pieces as we do for cauliflower. I parboiled the broccoli. This gives a good color and absorbs the spices flavor well without turning it dark. 2. Then heat a pan with oil and splutter mustard seeds, followed by cumin seeds in low heat, without burning it. After that, add ginger, onion and fry for a minute, or until the onion turns translucent and soft. Then, add the sambar powder, curry powder, and salt and just give it a stir and add the broccoli florets and mix well. 3. Keep in low flame and cook furthermore covered for 3-5 minutes without changing its crunchiness. In between, you can once give it a mix for even cooking. Cooked broccoli until the spices coat it well and switch off the flame. Subscribe my channel for more recipes.